In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make covers with Suno AI. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced musician looking to expand your creative options, these steps will help you effortlessly transform songs into unique covers using this powerful tool. Let's get started. First things first, we need to log in to Suno AI Music. Simply head over to the Suno website and enter your login credentials. If you're new here, you'll need to sign up and follow any initial onboarding steps before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Suno AI's intuitive interface. Next up, we're going to access your music library. On the dashboard, look for the library option and give it a click. This is your personal collection where all your uploaded and saved tracks are housed. It's crucial to be familiar with this area because it's where you'll select the song you want to cover. Now comes the fun part. From your library, select the song you've set your sights on. When you hover over a track, you'll notice a 3 dots icon, often referred to as the More Options button. Click on that. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with additional options for your song. One of the options here is Remix Edit. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the editing panel. This part of Suno AI is where all the creative magic happens, letting you tweak your chosen track according to your vision. After you're in the editing panel, look for the cover button. Click it and watch as Suno AI automatically populates the new editor with the original lyrics of the song. This feature is a real time saver, allowing you to jump right into making creative adjustments without having to manually input lyrics. If you feel that the song's original lyrics don't quite capture your intended expression, feel free to rewrite them. The system is incredibly user-friendly. You have the flexibility to alter lines, punch up verses, or even completely reinvent the song text to align with your style or mood. Next, focus on the style and genre of your cover. On the left side, you'll notice a section labeled Styles. Here, you can delete the existing genre linked to the original track and type in a new genre. Whether you want to convert a pop ballad into a rock anthem or add jazzy undertones to a classic tune, the choice is entirely yours. Finally, once you are satisfied with all your edits and changes, navigate to the bottom of your screen and click the Create button. This action initiates the creation process, and in just a few moments, your cover will be ready to listen to, share, or even further refine. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully utilized Suno AI to craft a compelling song cover. Happy creating, and don't forget to explore additional features Suno AI has to offer for more musical creativity.